All right, guys, what's going on with y'all, bro? This is Brian's Fragrance is coming back with another video. Okay, so look, today we finally got our package in from NorCal Scents, and this is Rasasi Hawas Elixir, bro. So let's go ahead and see if we can focus that. As y'all can see, Rasasi Hawas Elixir. Get that a little bit closer. Elixir. So look, we've been waiting for this package forever, bro. I actually ordered 4 fragrances from the house of not the house, but the NorCal Scents. I ordered Homage Royal Tobacco, I ordered Azaro Forever Wanted Elixir, and I ordered Black Afghano. Okay, bro, so I ordered them 3, and I actually ordered Hawas Elixir, of course. But yeah, bro, I don't know what was going on with this shipping. I really don't know what's going on with this shipping in this time, but it is what it is, bro. I'm just not going to base NorCal and just get them a bad review just because, you know, one thing came late. But I did actually end up paying expedited shipping, which they actually did refund me, and it still ended up coming slow. But if y'all don't know, Rasasi Hawas Elixir is cloning Lamar Elixir, and this is supposed to be Lamar Elixir with a chocolate note. The reason why I'm sampling this is, one, because you guys also want to see this. Plus, I want to see this for myself because I spent a big bag on Lamar Elixir. This is not a cheap fragrance, bro. It is definitely a good one, but it's not a cheap one. Okay, bro, it is not at all cheap. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to find something that's going to be close to Lamar Elixir, but just not that, you know, but just not that expensive. And it's just, I hope that this joint do its job. I hope that Rasasi Hawas Elixir do its job when, you know, trying to clone this damn fragrance. I don't think that it's going to get it. I don't think that it's going to get it right. Lamar Elixir it just smell like a nice minty vanilla frosting with some benzoin up in there. It's nice and sweet and like it's just like damn vanilla frosting. So let's read Rasasi Hawas Elixir notes. Top notes is mugwort, bergamot, and spearmint. Middle notes is dark chocolate. Lavender and benzoin. Base notes is white musk, tonka bean, and vanilla. So if y'all don't know, Rasasi Hawas Elixir actually got a chocolate note up in here, which is going to be actually also interesting. So let's go ahead and see what Hawas Elixir is about. And this is not going to be a comparison video, right? I'm not actually going to be telling y'all in this vid if it is close to Lamar Elixir or not, because that's going to be a separate video. But let's go ahead and get this on skin. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and see what this is about. I mean, I am going to be telling y'all if it is close, but I'm not going to be, you know, going into real detail. All right, it smell like that up in the air. Yeah, that's definitely Lamar Elixir. Definitely. All right, so I'm getting that dark chocolate. I'm feeling what they did. Like I'm kind of liking what they did with the dark chocolate. All right, so the chocolate is making it sort of gourmandy. It's giving it this nice, sweet, gourmand touch. This is like a milk chocolate. You know what I mean? This is the chocolate that's, you know, up in here is kind of like a milk chocolate. But that chocolate is kind of taken away from that vanilla bomb, you know, DNA that Lamar Elixir got. The chocolate is kind of like overpowering the vanilla up in here. This is not a like sweet, rich chocolate. It's like a milk chocolate. It's a light chocolate, but it ain't super heavy. But it's kind of still overpowering that vanilla up in here. So is this replacing Lamar Elixir? I mean, I like it. I like Rasasi Hawas Elixir, though. I'm kind of, you know, liking this. I'm liking the chocolate up in here. I'm kind of liking what they did. Yeah, I'm definitely liking what they did with this fragrance. But this is not, if you ask me, this is not something that I'm using to replace Lamar Elixir. This is not going to be something that I'm using to replace this with. Yeah. Well, then again, it do smell kind of like it. It do kind of smell like it. But, you know, Lamar Elixir kind of heavier with that vanilla. It's like a more heavier type of vanilla. So, I don't know. Will I be using this to replace Lamar Elixir? I am kind of liking that chocolate and mint, you know, mixing together. Yeah, it is nice. Milk chocolate, sweet, mint. And it is nice. But yeah, you know what? I might use this to replace Lamar. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. At first, that chocolate note was just kind of, I don't know, you know, mixing with that mint. Now, I'm kind of like feeling this. I think this is going to be a good replacer for Lamar Elixir. Because that milk chocolate, not dark chocolate. This is not a dark chocolate. This is a milk chocolate, like Hershey Kiss type of chocolate. Nice sweet chocolate mixing with that mint. You ain't getting too much honey up in here like Lamar Elixir, but this is a milk chocolate sweet. I'm feeling this. I'm definitely feeling this. A milk chocolate with some mint. And you getting more of that tonka bean up in here. Like, this is a tonka bean instead of benzoin. I'm not getting too much of no white mustard they saying, but yeah, I'm kind of like liking this over Lamar Elixir kind of. Because of that chocolate note. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna be a good it's gonna be a good replacement for this, but I don't think that it got the DNA down. I don't think that it got the DNA down 100%, but it do got it. And it is fairly close, but I kind of like prefer this more because of that dark chocolate note. Yeah, but this was Brian's Fragrance. He's coming back with another video. Y'all tap back in for the next one.